look now at the latest MnDOT 511 road condition report. Things are worse in southwestern Minnesota, where right now people are being just told to stay home. Multiple highways are closed, as well as I-90 from Laverne to Blue Earth. Jay Coles in the live drive tonight in the Metro, where conditions are also getting worse as we speak. Jay, where are you and what's it like?
Kevin, I'm going to tell you, it's getting a little bit dicey. We're in Woodbury right at 494, and we're heading onto a ramp I'm going to show you right now. This ramp is going to take us to 94 West. What we found is the East Metro. We were all the way over in Bloomington, where it wasn't as bad as this. The East Metro, at least right now, as you can see, really bad. And the ramps, we've seen people spin out on the ramps, and it's really that wet, heavy snow which is creating ice underneath it. And right now, as you can see, we're going on to 94. Earlier today, I talked with MnDOT. They couldn't put the chemicals down today to help melt things before it got started, right? They usually pre-treat the roads. Here's what MnDOT said about why they couldn't put those chemicals down.
Pre-treatment can't happen. It's starting off as rain, so that just washes away any benefit we would get from any pre-treatment in our traditional trouble spots.
So you can see I-94 westbound in Woodbury pretty bad right now, just going about 30 miles an hour. I can tell you that Xcel Energy told us that they have crews on standby because the winds are really bad with this heavy snow. Could be power outages. Xcel Energy says they have crews that are ready to go. MnDOT has 200 plows out in the Metro with 400 drivers. Reporting live in Woodbury, Jay Coles, 5 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Jay, thanks for that. And Jay mentioned power outages. Here's the latest from Xcel Energy. They're saying about 4,900 outages across southern and central Minnesota as this heavy, wet snow continues to fall. And remember, join us in the morning. Conditions are going to be pretty bad on the roads. Meteorologist Ken Barlow and Jonathan Uhas and traffic reporter Hannah Conway will get you ready for the commute. Coverage starts at 4:30 right here on 5 Eyewitness News.